management strategy is built on differentiation and structure. We implement tiered routines to manage diverse spaces. Younger students use simple visual schedules, while older students use detailed pacing guides to manage their independent work. The physical space utilizes differentiated work centers, allowing older students to work autonomously while the teacher conducts targeted small group instruction with younger or struggling learners. Behavior is managed by a simple, universal protocols, which is the 3 Rs. Be ready, be respectful, be responsible, which is reinforced consistently across all grade levels. Our first collaborative activity is peer mentorship and the concept cube. This is a powerful blend of learning styles. Older students serves as mentors, explaining concepts in a structured way, which caters to auditory or reading or writing learners. The entire mixed age group then transitions to the creation station to build a concept cube diorama, a hands-on task for visual and kinesthetic learners. We manage group dynamics with mandatory roles, which is the older student is the content expert and the younger student is the materials manager, ensuring all contributions are valued. Activity 2 is the Local Ecosystem Challenge. This project requires problem solving and caters equally to all learning styles. Students use kinesthetic and visual skills to construct a 3D model of the ecosystem. Simultaneously, they utilize reading or writing and auditory skills to prepare and deliver a group presentation summarizing their findings. To ensure fairness, group roles such as lead researcher and presenter rotate every week. This strategy prevents older students from dominating and allows every student to develop leadership and communication skills.
Resource Utilization Plan. Creativity in Constraint. This slide talks about making the most of available resources in teaching, especially when materials are limited. It encourages teachers to be creative and resourceful by applying the 3 Rs of resources. The first R, repurpose. Use materials for a new purpose. Second R, reuse. Use the same materials multiple times in different lessons. And the third R, relate to local context. Use things found in the community so students can connect learning to their daily lives. For examples, using pebbles, buttons, or bottle caps to teach counting and basic math. Using old magazines or newspaper for reading and word recognition. Using recycled containers or natural materials for experiments and observations. These examples is to show that teachers can deliver effective lessons even with limited resources by being innovative and practical. Next is the assessment plan. Beyond the standardized test. This slide promotes holistic and authentic assessment, which means measuring pupils' learning through real-world and meaningful tasks instead of relying only on written or standardized tests. These are the key strategies. The learning portfolio. Collections of students' work over time that shows progress and achievements. Second, the performance task. Hands-on activity or projects where students demonstrate what they've learned by doing. Example, experiments, presentations, or role-play. Third is the alternative assessments. Other creative ways to assess learning such as interviews, self-assessments, and group projects. This is to emphasize that true learning is best measured by how well students can apply knowledge and skills, not just by memorization or test scores.
Social dynamics management plan fostering inclusion. So number 1, structured rotating group roles. Students take turns in groups like leader, recorder, or reporter to make sure everyone feels valued and involved. And number 2, cross-age buddy system. Older students are paired with younger ones to build friendships, guidance, and teamwork across grade levels. And number 3, regular circle time dialogue. A time for open sharing and reflection, helping students express feelings, solve issues, and strengthen class relationships. Standards for success, key takeaways. And number 1 is classroom management, keeping the classroom organized, respectful, and focused on learning. And the next one is collaborative learning, encouraging teamwork so students can learn from and support one another. And next one is resourcefulness, teaching students to use what's available, creativity to solve problems. And next one is assessment, measuring both learning progress and personal growth through fair and meaningful ways. And the last one is social dynamics, building positive relationships and promoting inclusion so everyone feels accepted and respected.